It's a chicken salad. Vlogmas day 1. You guys, this is my first time doing Vlogmas. I know I look a mess. Okay. But anywho, I'm on my way to get myself some lunch. I'm just leaving the house. I'm working. It is Friday, December 3rd. No. Today the 2nd or the 3rd? I think it's the 2nd. Anywho, I'm just taking a break from work, and I'm going to run and get myself some lunch. I'm not sure if I'm going to go to Panera or to Starbucks, but yes, you guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 1. I'm going to go home later and get some things done as far as cleaning and putting out the rest of my Christmas decor. We have already put our tree up because I'm thirsty, okay? Because for me, after December 31st, I'm sorry, after October 31st, it's Christmas to me. Thanksgiving what? Thanksgiving who? It's Christmas. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go home and finish putting out the rest of my decor. Dang, why are you all in my way? I'm hungry, but you know, Panera, they be trying to play you on the portions and stuff. I want a salad. They want to give me little sprinkles of romaine lettuce, iceberg, not even romaine, iceberg. I don't want that. So let's see. You guys' breakfast is over, right? Yeah. Okay. Can I do a pick 2? Let me do a half a Caesar salad, and then.
You want chicken and not Caesar salad?
No. And then thank you. Hi. Yep. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Girl. Let me put this in my pocketbook. Y'all know Panera be taxing. They can be pricey and unnecessarily too. And this parking lot be packed. When I tell y'all, y'all would think this is a 5-star restaurant. All these cars out here, this is crazy. This restaurant is packed. Y'all don't mind my little braids. I'm gonna Sunday. My sister is going to wash and my hair, trim my ends, and I'm probably gonna get a conditioning treatment or a steam treatment or something. Y'all, my hair is, man, it's not in the best shape. Ever since I had my daughter, what you gonna do? Go. Ever since I had my daughter, my hair has started thinning. Like, you know how you get the what is it called? The postpartum shedding, where it sheds like in the, like right here. So my hair started doing that, and then it started growing back, but then it started getting thin some more in other areas. And so like my mom and some of my aunts, they have like, it's hereditary basically, like a history of their hair thinning. And then on my father's side, they just go bald, right? So know for sure that that is why my hair has started thinning over the years, and it'll grow really long, but it is very, very thin. So for the most part, I just wear wigs. Every now and then I might wear like a ponytail or something, but I always got a bang. I always got me a bang. But 9 times out of 10, I just wear me a wig because it's convenient. They look natural. Sorry about all the noise. It's convenient, it looks natural, and they're, you know, they be cute. So I just wear my wigs. And so whoever I marry, he just gonna have to get used to it. Because I'm gonna have a whole trough of wigs. I'm gonna have a shelf dedicated to wigs. It's gonna be lined up. Wig heads with wigs. But anyway, so Sunday my sister's gonna do my hair, and I'm just gonna get it conditioned, have her trim my ends, whatever she needs to do. And depending on how I look, I may or may not wear my wig, but the devil is a lie. I'm gonna slap that wig back on more than likely. But anywho, so yeah, that's what's gonna happen on a Sunday. So yes, I'm excited because I'm gonna put up the rest of my, y'all, this ain't straight. I'm gonna put up the rest of my Christmas decor today. Just decorate the living room a little bit. Put out a little decor in the kitchen, on the kitchen counter. This year I'm going to do a hot cocoa bar or hot chocolate bar. I don't drink coffee. I drink tea. My daughter drinks hot chocolate, so I'm going to put out a really cute hot chocolate bar, and it's gonna be so cute. Can't wait for you guys to see. I got everything from Target, so y'all know it's gonna be cute. Chicken salad. Superior. 81st Deli.